which option works better. That's what A/B testing helps you figure out. In this beginner-friendly guide, I'll explain the concept and walk you through a real business example so you can see how data guides smarter decisions. A/B testing is a controlled experiment where you compare two versions, version A and version B, to see which performs better. You split your audience randomly into two groups, show each group a different version, and measure a specific outcome, like clicks, sales, or sign-ups. Before starting, clearly define your goal and hypothesis. Example: changing the call to action button from blue to green will increase sign-ups by at least 5%. Pick one main metric to measure success. For our example, we'll track conversion rate, the percentage of visitors who sign up. Half your visitors see version A, blue button, the other half see version B, green button. Keep all other variables the same to ensure fairness. Once enough data is collected, compare the metrics. If version B's conversion rate is significantly higher, using statistical tests like a t-test, you've found your winner. An e-commerce store tested two product page layouts, one with detailed descriptions, another with bullet points. The bullet point version improved purchases by 12%, so they rolled it out to all users. Always test one change at a time. Make sure your sample size is large enough. Avoid stopping the test too early. A/B testing removes guesswork from decision making. With the right setup, you can let your data tell you which option works best. For more hands-on examples and statistical templates, check the link in the description. And for more data-driven strategies, follow Data Stories with Nirmala.